I can't believe I'm filming this video, to be honest with you. I don't understand why 100 people have subscribed to me, to be honest, but thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about how I hit 100 subscribers in just a few months. You guys know I just recently hit 100 subscribers, literally not too long ago. I hit 100 subscribers May 29th, and today, June 18th, I'm at 129 subscribers, and I really want to talk about some of the tips and tricks that I took to get where I am today. Obviously, I'm such a small channel, literally a small channel. I'm just a girl that makes videos that no one watches. That's what I tell myself, and I just do it for me and for the 5 friends and family that I have that watches it on a constant basis. But recently I've noticed a larger growth in my channel than usual, because in the last 28 days, not even, in the last 3 weeks, I've noticed my channel grow extra fast usually, because I usually get 1 or 2 subscribers probably every 2 weeks, and in the last 28 days I got 37, and recently I got about 29 since I hit my 100 subscriber, which is crazy. In the last 2.5 weeks I got 29 more subscribers, which is different because I'm used to getting 1 or 2 every 2 weeks, you know what I mean? So there were some things that I guess did, and people were asking me like what I did and stuff, and I was just like, I don't know, to be honest, but I guess there was a method to my madness at the same time, so I'm here to share that. So let's get into it. So step 1, be consistent. Pick a time and day that you want to post your videos every single week. Literally, I do it at Sundays at 9:30 a.m. every single Sunday. On this channel, on my gaming channel, I do Monday, Wednesday, Fridays at 3 p.m. I try to be as consistent as possible. The mistakes that I did in the beginning, I was posting whenever I wanted. I posted every Thursday and Sunday, I guess, and there was days where I wouldn't be able to post on Thursday because school got in the way and stuff, so I had to narrow it down to just one day, one video a week, where I can take all my energy into that one video and make it as great as possible. The reason why I said consistency is key, YouTube needs to know when you're going to be posting your videos. They want to know when you're posting your videos so they can push it to the right audience that you want to target, you know what I mean? If you're posting one video on Saturday and one video on Tuesday and one video on Friday and one, you know what I mean? YouTube's gonna be like, okay, look, I don't know when to post your videos. I don't know when you want to post. You just post anytime you ever want to, at any time you want to, and it ain't working. The algorithm don't like that. So try to pick a time and day. It could be multiple times a week. If you want to post 2 times a week, 3 times a week, it's up to you. Just pick certain days that you want to post those videos in at certain times. Algorithm is gonna like that. They're gonna want to push that video even more, and you're gonna have more traction to your video. Step 2, have really attractive clickable thumbnails. I personally still struggle with that. Recently I think I gotten better, but in the beginning, the first 15 to 20 videos honestly were awful thumbnails for me, and I had to really work at it. It was awful. Like, no one was really clicking on them. Still to this day, I'm still working really hard on them, trying to make them as clickable as possible. Third step, honestly, have valuable content on your channel. Have content that will bring value, teach something to someone. In the beginning, I did like skincare routines, how I wash my hair. I'm not even a hair guru. I don't know how to do my hair, but a lot of the videos on my channel that have gotten the most views, one of them is over 600 views, is literally me doing my hair and me not knowing what the heck I do. But for some reason, those type of videos where you're actually just doing a process and kind of just explaining what you're doing bring so much value, and those videos are very clickable because, hey, someone's gonna see that and be like, oh, I can learn how to do X, Y, and Z from this video. Personally, to me, I was very stubborn in the beginning. I just wanted to post whatever the heck I wanted to post, and even if it didn't get views, I didn't care. And personally, still now, I don't really care if my videos don't do as well. Yeah, I would want them to be seen, but like I said, I'm doing this for me and I'm doing it for fun, and if people see them, people see them. But now that I got a lot more traction onto my channel, even though I'm really small, a lot more people are seeing it now, and I think that now I'm just like, okay, since there's more people on here, maybe I should give them more things that they like to see, more videos that got in the highest views. So I've started doing more hair videos, which I've never thought I would be doing on my channel. I don't take care of my hair, and I find it funny because I use my channel to actually take care of my hair, because I film these processes. Every time I wash my hair, I film it and I make a video on it, to be honest with you, because those are the videos that people are actually seeing, that actually want to be seen. Another video that I post a lot is day in the lives. For some reason, those videos are so popular. People like to see what you're doing in a day, and I like to bring an element of having my cat in my videos a lot. He's not here today. He decided to ditch me. Step 4, just be yourself. There's not much I can really say about that. Just be yourself, be your authentic self. People are gonna want to watch your content for you. I know you probably want to start your YouTube channel because your favorite YouTuber does it and you want to be like them, but no one's gonna want to see you copy them. No one's gonna want to watch a copycat when they can watch the original. What makes them want to click on your video when they can go see the YouTuber that you're copying that has 10 million subscribers? You know what I mean? So just be yourself. People are gonna like you. Just being myself just brought a whole bunch of people to my channel and they're like, hey, you're funny. And I'm just like, I don't think I'm funny, but if you think I'm funny, that's cool. You know what I mean? Hit that subscribe button if you think I'm funny. But in general, I'm just being myself. I don't try to be like anyone else, and I think that's the biggest thing, especially when you're trying to get to that 100 subscriber goal. Be consistent, have clickable thumbnails, have valuable content, and just be yourself. That's how I personally got to 100 subscribers organically. Yeah, did it take a few months to do it? It took about 5 months to do it, yeah, but it was worth it because I feel like I have such a great family on this channel so far, and I'm just so excited to keep going. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join our family that we're growing here. And yeah, check out my gaming channel also. That will be linked down below. Vava plays if you like Sims content. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Jojo, I was just talking about you, how you were in this video. You showed up at the end. Hi. Say hi to the camera.